What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I have got my BOXYCHARM Premium for October, and obviously it's spooky season, so I am doing a spooky look today. Yeah, if you don't like the red and the black, I totally get it. This is not going to be everyone's thing, but it was really fun creating this and doing it kind of like glam devil. And I had my horns. I also have green horns, and I cannot wait to come up with something really fun and funky. But I have more contacts coming to do fun looks with, so this is my red look. Yeah, so anyway, let's go ahead and get into BOXYCHARM Premium. I am really excited. So if you don't know, of course, Premium is $40 a month, 6 items, and you get to choose 2 of them. I almost never remember what I chose. Yeah, the memory's not the best, but I am really excited to get into it. So we have our card. It is spellbound for the month of October. And let's see, I think I showed you guys in the last video, but they are changing the names of their sales. So I will hold that again if you want to screenshot or just pause to take a look. They've changed the names, and there's some dates for some of their sales. And I think currently add-ons is going on right now. Now it's called Drop Shop. I got a few things, some really good deals, so I am excited for that. And let's go ahead and just fish out, ooh, let's see. Okay, we got the One Size Patrick Star Visionary palette. I do own this, so I will grab my own. So this palette has a lot of neutrals. You got a pop of blue. I was really excited about like the green when I first got this and the black, but I do have to be honest, this isn't my favorite formula for eyeshadow. It's not bad, but there's just so many better ones out there in my opinion. It's a fine palette. You will be able to use it. You'll be able to create looks with it if you get it. But I found that a couple of the shades that I use, and I've not used every single shade yet, but a couple of the shades that I used just wasn't really what I was hoping for. Just not quite as pigmented or blendable, but it's just a little bit off. You know what I mean? It's still a decent palette, and if you love neutrals, then it will definitely be right up your alley. This goes for $42, not a bad price at all, even for the quality, not a bad price. But it says it is matte and pigmented shimmer shades. It includes yummy neutrals and bold pops of color. I mean, there's like one pop of color in there. And yeah, so I mean, it's a good item. If I didn't already have it, I would have been really keen to get it and try it, but we have given it a try. I've not given up on the palette though. I still want to try it more. 1 or 2 uses. I mean, I've used it. I know if I like it, but yeah, it's always nice to try it again, use different primers, different colors, and see what else you can come up with. So that's on my list to try. We also got, these are Dew of the Gods Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads. I feel like I've been seeing this brand a lot more recently in subscription boxes. So this is a metal case for under eye patches. I mean, I guess it's cool if you want to store them, but I feel like afterwards this is kind of wasteful. I can always find something I don't like, but I don't know, just personally I feel like I would want to get rid of this case. Like, I don't really want to hold on to it, so I'd rather it just be like a nice recyclable box. Oh, and these are made in China. I know some of you guys will care about that and not be super keen on it, but I have used the body scrub and I do think it was pretty nice. So there are 10 of those in the set, and these go for $20, so $2 a under eye patch. It says they have hydrogel, collagen, vitamin C, witch hazel, to plump and revitalize. It's like an iced coffee for the soul. 30 minutes of bliss. I do like under eye patches. So yeah, I'm definitely going to give these a try and see how they do. All right, what else? Ooh, okay. The rest of this I'm really excited for. I just started off with a couple of items that I'm not like the most excited for, but the rest of this box I'm really keen for. And I open them up and pull things out randomly. So sometimes it just works out like that. So some people don't like it if you start out with like the first product you're not that crazy about, but I'm just being real. So this is the 111 Skin Antioxidant Energizing Essence. I do love a good essence, and I'm right now using the 111 Skin Hyaluronic Acid, and I've really been enjoying it. I feel like my skin has been like really plump lately and hydrated, so it's been working well. They are pricey. Let's see the price on this. Oh, so this goes for $100. I don't know how well this will compare, but Honestly, one essence that I think is so worth the money is SK2. I have no idea if these are at all familiar, haven't looked at it, but the SK2 one with, oh my God, theirs is just so good. It's like, how is it that good? My skin looks so even using it. So we'll see how this compares for $100. And it says that it's lightweight, delivering fast acting antioxidant properties, enriching the skin. It's got the NACY2, a blend of soothing botanical extracts, and yeah, it uses a skincare primer. That's how I use my essence. And usually you want to tone your skin and then use your essence, because your essence is going to just be patted into the skin. And then I usually go right with my hyaluronic acid right after I put on essence, just kind of pat it in. While it's still just a tiny bit moist, go ahead and pat your hyaluronic acid serum right over it. So yeah, I'm excited to try that out. That's exciting. Really gonna bump up the value of the box for sure. Next up, a cleanser from Perricone. I really love Perricone products. They are like, maybe not as like eye-catching as other brands, but I've used some of their products and they're really good. So this is the Vitamin C Ester Citrus Brightening Cleanser. I am very happy to have this. I'm gonna hold on to this for a little bit, use up some of my other cleansers that I have so many cleansers open right now. I'm gonna use them all up before I dive into this, because I'm really excited for this one. I don't know if I've used a Perricone cleanser. I've used like serums and moisturizers. Okay, this is only $35. I feel like that's really reasonably priced for Perricone, and it's non-drying. It cleanses without stripping the skin of natural oils. It's a fresh cleanser formulated with Perricone MD's proprietary vitamin C ester, a more potent and less irritating form of vitamin C. So it smooths and brightens. It's got DMAE to lift and copper complex to hydrate and energize the skin. Lots of good ingredients, and if I do say so myself, this is a really good combo. Like, this may be like price inflation. I mean, it's kind of crazy, but I still bet this is going to be a really nice combination. And then we got some makeup. We got the LYS Beauty No Limits Matte Bronzer. Was so funny. I ordered this in the like add-ons or whatever it's called now. I already ordered this. LYS is a black-owned makeup brand that is now available at Sephora. I tried the foundation and it's really nice. Let's see the price. I think this is a fairly reasonably priced bronzer. This goes for $18. I mean, that's pretty affordable, especially for something at Sephora. And it's velvet texture, easy to blend, sun-kissed glow, vegan, cruelty-free, talc-free, and it has niacinamide, sodium hyaluronate, and green tea. Wow. Okay, that's really cool. Also love the packaging. I mean, it's different, but I like it. And this is a shade Light called Motivate. I'm gonna like do a little, ooh, that's a nice color. It feels very smooth. Feels very smooth. So this is what the light one looks like. I am more on the fair side, and I think this is going to be a really nice color. I realize now that I ordered it, I'm like, oh, I'll probably just give that one to someone. But I'm going to try this because I may want to keep it as a backup, because this feels super nice. Hopefully I will love this. And then we got one more thing, and this is from Tarte. This is the Man Eater Plumping Gloss. This goes for $19. Well, that's $1 more than the actual bronzer. I know that the Man Eater mascara that I think you can only get at Ulta is like super popular. I don't know that I've ever used it though. It says it works for visibly plumper lips. Nourishing formula smooths lips and wraps them in lasting hydration. And yeah, I mean, it just goes on about that. Plumping and hydrating. I don't want to put the wand on my lips, so I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand since I have a really dark lipstick on. I feel like a tiny bit of a tingle, but I also have like layers of lipstick on, so it's probably not like penetrating that deeply into my lip, but I feel a little tingle. Doesn't feel bad though. It feels nice. I don't really smell anything. I don't know if my smell is off. I have like a killer headache right now, but I feel like I don't smell it at all. But this is a cute color. The color is called Buff, and it's like a nice pinky nude. I mean, ordinarily, I think on a bare lip, this would be beautiful, or just topping on a lip liner. This would be really nice too. So of course that was $19. And I have to say, the last 4 items in my box, I am extremely excited for. The Perricone and the 111 Skin. I mean, I'm super excited about those. The gloss, and especially the LYS bronzer, even though I'm silly and I ordered it. I think I even chose the bronzer too, which is sad, and I didn't remember, so I ordered it. but I think I got it for like $9. So it was still a win. A little less excited for the under eye patches, but I will still give these a go. And then of course I do already have the one size palette, so that's a little bit of a loss, but I definitely think I got my money's worth. Like $40 for the 4 items alone makes me really happy, so no complaints here. Now let's look at the value of this, and I'm gonna add these up really quick. I think this is a $234 value if I did the math correctly, and I do think that the 111 Skin is always really pricey. The retail price of their products is really, really high, so I always take that with kind of like a grain of salt, because I personally usually wouldn't pay that much unless it was just so amazing. So that does like inflate the cost of it, but I would have gladly paid $40 for the Pericone Cleanser, 111 Skin Essence, and the gloss and the bronzer. Like definitely more than that. And then we got the eye patches and the palette. So it's pretty good. I like this box. I feel like this is a really, really nice box. Yeah, I have really no complaints whatsoever. So I feel something happening with my lips, and it's hard to describe because it's not burning and it's not really tingly. It's more like a plump, numb feeling, if that makes sense. Like a little bit, but I can still feel it. Yeah, it's like numbing with a hint of a tingle. I like it. So sorry if I creeped you guys out with my devil makeup. I'm gonna keep this really short because I'm gonna go take this off, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for thank you so much for watching. If you're not already, please go follow me on TikTok and on Instagram. I have a goal. I'd love to get to 10,000. I mean, I think I've said this before. I'd love to get to 10,000 on both, but Instagram is like, I just like put that beside because that's not happening. But maybe 10,000 on TikTok by my birthday, but that's 2 months away. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but who knows, maybe it could. So make sure you're going to follow me. I post a lot of content over there, and I have a lot of fun posting my TikTok content. So I spend a lot of time there now. Like, I'm just having fun with it, and hopefully you guys would enjoy it too. I think you would. So yeah, thank you guys so much for being with me. I really, really appreciate you giving my video a chance. And that is all. I will see you guys really soon in my next one. Bye guys.